Hi, this is Kevin Keene with Outdoor Living down in South Florida, and we just finished the most unique pergola. It actually looks like it floats. We love it. It has 4x8 steel columns with a beam that goes across, and then about 2 feet down hangs the actual pergola with a roof on it. This gives a lot of space that now can be used for shade and rain protection, but also is high enough that it doesn't make you feel closed in and gives that outdoor sensation when you're staring at the water or your canal and enjoying the view of the bay. We love this one. This one's approximately about 14 feet by 16 feet. Tongue and groove cypress. Has all the works. If you're going to do something like this, the tip for today is try to do it so that it's to scale to your backyard area. And in this case, this one doesn't overwhelm the space that we have back here, but gives a lot of function. It's unique. We love it. We want to do more of them. If you're going to do something like this, find a contractor you're comfortable with, plan it out carefully, and remember, it's your home. Do it right.